doing today? I'm going to try a Dutch pour, just a regular Dutch pour today. I'm probably using more colors than I need, but I did one, about a month and a half ago, using almost these same colors, and I really liked the combination, so we'll see. And today, the colors are, I made this Persimmon a while back, so it's some mixture of orange and red, and I don't know what else I put in it. Van Dyke Brown is the next color. Old Gold, Artist Loft. Artist Loft Red. Artist Loft, what is this one? This is pink. Neon Pink. And this is Artist Loft Neon Green. So I'm going to use those colors today. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I already have the Floetro on there, the Floetro. I already have my white Artist Loft paint mixed with water. The colors are mixed with half water and half Floetro, and the white is only mixed with water. Check out that combination and see what I get here. So let's get going. I think I'm just going to do a normal one this way. I already popped the bubbles, but I already see some more coming up. Yeah. I just mixed the white, so that's why it's coming up so much. Okay, let's see. I think I'm just going to do a Anyway, I don't know when you're going to see this, but I'm excited. I'm going with my girlfriends to Germany, Oktoberfest, and Prague tomorrow. Should be a good time. Seems like my paints were a little thick, even though they were really, I thought they were really thin. And I know my blow dryer was strong enough. So I do want a lot of negative space on this one. Bring it down here. It's really pretty. I'm bringing out my nozzle that I took off of a heat gun, and I just taped it on there. I have a cool setting on this hair dryer, and it just works like if you were blowing it with your mouth. It's just a smaller nozzle head, and I really like using it on my Dutch pours. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will keep making more for you. Thanks.